Could I request everybody to take a seat, please? Thank you. Thank you. There's a small announcement. Small means a big. Father Francis has requested to support the Goan Chaplaincy Day on the 21st of June. So please make sure that you make this day free for Father Francis, so that we all support Father Francis and others in the Goan Chaplaincy, on the Goan Chaplaincy Day on the 21st of June. Please do not forget. The other announcement that I have for you is Brother Joel is coming all the way from Kerala Pota, Brother Joel and Father Bona. Father Bona is coming from India Sirsi. Brother Joel is right now in Italy, and from there he's going to Portugal and he'll be coming here to preach. So they are coming to give the good news of our Lord to us. Bori buddhi ho, kami sokni noko, kami jawa tomo kon now, and amka jawa tomo bori ritin koro, and bori ritin dako, Brother Joel from Kerala Pota, and Father Bona and the Indian son. Ekusai and Baisai real minache, ritin astero gold screen. Iko chutuka leaflet beutelo, and 5 tarike July Williston Green. And in folder date upran pudete. Okay, Ata, keep your eyes on the tickets, please. Okay, come on, here we are. Maybe Sweeney is taking out the first lot. The first number is a blue ticket, number 355. Blue ticket number 355. Marshall or number surprise of play. Number 355. It's a blue ticket number 355. This prize is taken by Mr. Walton Gomes. Give him a big hand, please. Mashallah, very much. Here comes. It's a yellow ticket. Number 198. 198. Yellow ticket number 198. Cello. Oh, here comes Kevin Fernandez. Kevin Fernandez, give him a big hand, please. Thank you. Why, Devata? It's number 744. White ticket number 744. 744. कौन दो White. Yeah. Give a big hand to Burning Christians, please. आम्ही खेडी आणि आमचो बाप सांतान फर्नांडीस त्याची फॅमिली सोगते आमचे आर्टिस्ट तुमकां सोगल्यांक काण सांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमी जायते त्रास घेता गोंयांत एक्टरांक काडूंक हांगासर आनी तुमकां दाखोवंक तेंच्यो बऱ्यो कलाकार ते आमचे आसतात गोंयचे पूण आमकां सपोर्ट मातशें उणें मेळटा आय नो बाय आय कांट अंडरस्टँड बाय आवर पीपल डोंट come across in front. When we had put on the net almost 6 months back regarding the artists coming from Goa and we are going to have these shows. But you know, it's really, we feel bad about it. But because if we get your support, we can keep carry on and do a lot of things for our Goans. We do all for you people. And just because we love you and we love our Konkani language. So we want you people to support us in the best of best way, so that we can bring up best of best artists. We are trying to bring all the artists, not only one or two, pick up just few artists. We are trying, as KDA, trying to bring all of them who are good in Goa, so that they can perform and show to all of us the best arts that they have. So we need all your support. Please do give us every time that we come forward. Thank you very much.